I don't,
early.
I don't knack woto. If no be say my PA no day and if now my PA go ask the kind person where I be. I feel knack like 10 girls in a day. Roughly 10 girls in a day. Like you get the kind knack what I don't knack, I sit myself down, they give myself advice.
Good ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Double Gates, Dojin 2K boss. I'm here with my boss.
Triple more 10 PF, you know what time it is?
Alpha boss.
I did with you, my guy. What's
But
up?
boss, you look fresh. Oh.
Call ahead now. Now God, they do it. What's up?
I swear, they don't tell.
I tell you.
I swear. Boss, like, I just there here. I just want to ask you a question and just play a game with you.
Okay.
Are you in?
No, I did now. Any game we bring come, I did.
Okay. Boss, can you tell me what you like most about yourself? What do you like most about yourself? Can you just tell us what you like most about yourself?
Consistency. Like anything I put my hand now, they always they very serious on now. I like myself being consistent about something, you understand? And I love myself being hardworking.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is what you like most about yourself.
Myself.
Boss, no vessel, you be virgin? Because you look at virgin boy, you be virgin.
No anybody be virgin now. From 10 years go up now. Nobody be virgin again. I no be virgin no.
This one with the talk like that. I say you roti early.
I don't knack woto. If no be say my PA no day and if now my PA go ask the kind person where I be. I feel like 10 girls in a day. Roughly 10 girls in a day. Like you get the kind knack what I don't knack, I sit myself down, they give myself advice.
Like boss, your body count. If you tell us your body count.
If I fit count my body count, make I die.
Now your body count is uncountable.
My body count are useless because as I do like this now, even as I even talk to you now, if you fit follow me go as now, person day now, short bets now. I don't get body count again. Even my body count said they fear me.
I swear. Your body count they fear you.
Body count they fear me because even they do say now the more you release, the more you die. Say person will release past now go die. One never run die for 15 years old.
But like boss, I mean hours you the man no call out boy.
I understand.
Now hours or na minutes or na seconds.
I understand, but I'm the last.
Who the last?
I'm the last.
If you give us your
I not gonna lie you. I have to spend for woman, but then na 2 minutes.
You be mumu.
That's when you say 2 minutes
You
man,
say
2
they
minutes
wise.
man. Then
Now because of you they use this
look
one.
me finish. It's not see finish with that. Now 2. I not gonna lie. No. If you black now, I move do experiments. You bring any woman come na 2 minutes. If I last past 2 minutes, you chop my money.
But guess they talk say 2 minutes man no dey.
You know concern me now. Which I won't gonna die there. 2 minutes man, I sweet pass. My brother, if you be 2 minutes man, they thank God.
Haba.
If you like, you want
Like na advice where they give 2 minutes people.
any man will be 2 minutes man. Take as na God do one for you.
Haba.
You go see person now gonna buy a herbal drink. The drink.
Yeah,
say,
now like this like you know if you take agbo.
my body dey okay for 2 minutes. How many? I don't see person will say the last for 2 minutes born the gym. Person last for 1 hour see the barrier.
Sorry, sorry.
Now well, boss you get girlfriend.
No, leave that question for now.
Because you say girls day where you get girlfriend.
Girls day, you understand? Most of them they come based on say with the dates. You understand? Most of the girls with the family come now, they come based on say with the date. You understand? So I don't want to call one person name, leave other person. Or let's say one man they call them.
Okay,
just leave that
okay,
one.
you get girlfriends.
This guy they Chris. No.
May not disgrace yourself. Your girl if you watch this
I
video.
don't fuck up.
Your girl if you watch this video.
I don't fuck up. Don't leave that question. My girl go understand.
Okay, your girl understand. Like boss, what do you like most about girls? Like what do you like if you see a girl like this? What do you like most about girls?
Woman will get water. Woman will get water.
Okay, the one we shower
The one where they bring water. Any woman will get water. I don't want to maybe get breast or not. You see water and yash.
Okay, water and yash.
You see water and yash.
You like
God go bless them.
okay, you like
Now make if you see any woman will get yash.
It is finished.